Benvenuti. Welcome to Language with Sarah. I'm your Italian teacher Sarah, and today I'm with 25 phrases you should know if you are a beginner to Italian. So iniziamo. Let's begin. Our first phrase is affascinante. Affascinante, fascinating. Fascinating means in Italian affascinante. Repeat after me if you want. Affascinante. Focus on the pronunciation of S and C. Affascinante, fascinating. Next phrase is to admire in Italian is ammirare. Ammirare, to admire. Repeat after me if you want and focus on the pronunciation, please. Ammirare, to admire. Next phrase is to appreciate. Apprezzare. Apprezzare, to appreciate. Please remember these phrases and use them in your daily routine with your friends or with your colleagues or with your siblings. Next one is adventure in Italian is avventura. Adventure in Italian is avventura. Repeat after me and focus on the pronunciation. Avventura, adventure. Next one is brilliant or bright. In Italian is brillante. Brillante. Repeat after me if you want and focus on the pronunciation of brillante. Brillante means brilliant or bright. Our next phrase is complex. Complesso. Complex in Italian is complesso. Now let's move on to our next phrases. Next phrase is curious. In Italian is curioso. Curioso. Repeat after me if you want. Curioso, curious. Delicious in Italian is delizioso. Delizioso, delicious. Detail. Detail in Italian is dettaglio. Dettaglio. Elegant. Next phrase is elegant, and elegant in Italian is elegante. Elegante, elegant. Energetic. Energetic in Italian is energico. Energico. Repeat after me if you want. Energico. And experience in Italian is esperienza. Esperienza. Experience in Italian is esperienza. Focus on the pronunciation of esperienza. Experience. If you are a new viewer to my channel, then please subscribe it for more helpful and short videos like this. Now let's move on to our next phrase. Next one is fantastic. In Italian is fantastico. Fantastico. Fantastic in Italian is fantastico. Next phrase, generous in Italian is generoso. Generoso. And impressive, impressionante. Impressive in Italian is impressionante. Now let's move on to our next phrases. Next one is intense in Italian is intenso. And luxurious in Italian is lussuoso. Luxurious, lussuoso. Focus on the pronunciation. Lussuoso. And magical in Italian is magico. Magico. Magical, magico. Luxurious, lussuoso. And intense, intenso. If you like the video, then please click the like button and comment on this video. And if you are a new viewer to my channel, then subscribe it for more helpful and short videos like this. I upload every day a short video so you can practice your Italian with me every day. Next one is nutritious. In Italian is nutriente. Nutriente. Next one is optimistic. In Italian is ottimista. Optimistic. ottimista. And passion in Italian is passione. Passion, passione. Optimistic, ottimista. And nutritious in Italian is nutriente. Repeat after me if you want. Nutriente, ottimista, and passione. Passione means passion. Next one is radiant. Radiant in Italian is radioso, radioso. And surprising in Italian is sorprendente, sorprendente. Surprising, sorprendente. And touching or moving mean is toccante. Toccante means touching. Toccante, touching or moving. For example, use this phrase toccante in your sentence. For example, we take don't touch me. Don't touch me in Italian is non toccarmi. Non toccarmi, don't touch me. Now let's move on to our next phrases, and if you want to repeat them, then pause the video and repeat them 1 or 2 times and use them in your daily routine. If you want to speak like an Italian native speaker, you all need to practice your Italian every day in your daily routine. Now, next phrase is powerful. Powerful in Italian is potente. Potente. This phrase is simple, so you can remember this today. So make sure you remember this. Potente, powerful. Repeat after me if you want. Potente. And try to remember this and use this in your daily routine, okay? With your friends or your siblings or your colleagues. Powerful, potente. This phrase is buon lavoro, good job. Buon lavoro, good job. For example, if you like my video, then you can comment on this video. Buon lavoro, good job. Now, if you all like the video, then click the like button and comment this buon lavoro on my video. And thank you for watching. Ciao, a presto. And remember, my channel name is Language with Sarah. Thank you for watching. Ciao, presto.